Hey guys, what's up? You guys see the screen? In this video I'm going to show you exactly how people make more money when the market starts going down than in the beginning when it's going up. So let's get started. Okay guys, I just picked out a basic stock that somebody sent me the other day. On Friday I was traveling, so I did not get to trade. We had basically a 5 a.m. flight and we landed in Indiana at 8:30, I believe. So it was a 2-hour flight, but we were up at literally 4:30. I couldn't sleep in the hotel. So with that being said, ACHN is the one that I chose to use because yeah, this one was up really early, and then it just took a nosedive as soon as the market opened. And there's a couple reasons for that. Obviously, I was told there was some news on this one. I didn't do a whole lot of research on this one because I don't really need it for this video. Um, you can see it did start to bounce back. That's always cool. But more of, I just want to use this stock as a visual and the chart as a visual for what really happens. And you get these things that pump up pre-market. And yeah, I hit this new high. That's awesome. And then it makes a lower high. And this is where people start going, everybody's trying to find that one stock when the market's going down that's going to go up. And that's why when they see these things up in pre-market, they're all in already. They're, as soon as the market's opening, they're trying to buy in, and that's why you see green candles, because you got these people over here selling out. They're basically just trying to get it for whatever they can get. So those people, it'll take a dive. Those people are trying to get in still and push back up. This one's really not that case because there's not really that much volume in it. So that one doesn't really work for this exact situation. But what you're going to see me start doing is, what I like to do as soon as I see this isn't near as high as what this one is. So that's $3.70. You're looking at $3.50. That's a 20-cent difference. If you guys know when you guys are trading penny stocks, 20-cent difference can be the matter of hundreds of dollars profit. So there's the big difference right there, just right there. It's 20 cents. I mean, you can make $100 on a 10-cent gain per share. I know I've done it personally. So with that being said, you didn't really get any push, and it's got this really, really little volume bars. And yeah, I know it's pre-market, but you still got to have a little bit of volume to do anything. But you just see it start to sell off before the market even opens, and that's a horrible sign. And that's why you know these people that have went short, or short is basically betting that the market is going to go down, or that stock is going to go down in price. It's also known as, if you trade options, puts. So you can buy a put saying that that stock is going to go down. I know in some of these lower price stocks, puts are harder to get a hold of and options are harder to get a hold of. I know Robinhood still does have a few, but it's a great strategy. And options are a great strategy when you're first beginning, just because you are limiting risk when you're first learning. Especially in my system, I have a lot of guys that won't trade just stocks. They will literally take my course, learn my process, learn my structure and my system and my strategy, and then transfer it over to options because it just limits their risk. Now, I teach to cut losses very, very quickly. That way you limit your risk, but some people have a hard time at the beginning managing that while still trying to find the right stocks and trying to make the right play. So I do recommend sometimes trading the options. That way you don't have you're not managing everything all at once and just really overwhelmed, because at the beginning you don't want to be overwhelmed. You want to keep it simple. My dad always said, keep it simple, stupid, and that's what I try to do for you all. So that's really how you're going to make money when the market's going down. You're going to see a bunch of these stocks falling pre-market, or they gap up pre-market and they start selling off before the market opens. You're going to be able to buy puts. You're going to be able to short them, and then when the market falls, I mean, even if you got in right in here when it starts pushing down, you're at 330, right? All of a sudden you're at 320. You sell it out down here at 313. You guys are making good chunks of profit right there. Now I know those aren't huge moves, but as a beginner, when you're trying to grow that account and compounding every trade, it's important to have wins, not losses. So I know everybody's going to have a couple losses. I don't win them all personally. If you meet somebody that does, tell me. I'm going to call him a liar for you. Again, commenting below. I would love to call somebody out. But with that being said, that's really how you're going to make money when the market starts going down. Now I know the shares, the short, do get a little bit spread out. They're a little bit harder to get during those times, or when you can't find a put. That's why my strategy does work with higher price stocks. And I had that question every single day. That and the other question I have is, why is my data on partially delayed data? It's not. Look, guys, right here, real-time stocks, equity options, I don't trade futures, and I don't trade futures options or Forex or the other. So that's why that's delayed. I don't deal with it. You see I have it over here. It's delayed. I don't trade it. I can actually just go on ahead and delete that. It's not going to matter. It does not affect me. But here's one right here that went up. With that being said, guys, that is really how you're going to be able to manage everything and keep it simple. With that being said, if you guys have more further questions, I'd love to go into more depth with you guys in another video. But right now, I'm traveling. I'm in Indiana with my girlfriend's family for her sister's graduation of college. Shoot me a message on Instagram. I'd be more than happy to talk to you guys over the phone, or whatever I need to do. Just send me a message, and I'd be more than happy to help you guys out. Please like the video for everybody. If you know somebody that wants to see the video, share it, and I'd be more than happy to help them out too. You guys have a great day, and I'll see you guys soon.